Qingdao Jinming Machinery Co., Ltd. was established in 2013. The company is located on the west coast of Qingdao, Shandong Province. It is 50 kilometers away from Qingdao Airport, 15 kilometers away from Jiaozu Bay Railway Logistics, and 15 kilometers away from Qingdao Port. LT is very convenient for transportation of ship, air and railway. Our company covers an area of about 20,000 square meters, with more than 80 employees and more than 10 technical engineers. Our company's manufacturing and hoisting capacity is 100 tons. The main large structural equipment includes large CNC flame and plasma cutting machines, heavy-duty CNC shearing and bending equipment, large-scale CNC lathes, large-scale gantry CNC machining centers, large-scale CNC boring and milling, and heavy-duty CNC stamping equipment, etc. According to the quality control standard of ISO 9001, each product will be wrote completed text and pictures when they go into our factory process fabrication. For example, raw material procurement and inspection, blanking, cutting, assembly and welding, machining and surface coating, acceptance and delivery. In order to establish a good product quality tracking service with customers. Meanwhile, we can meet the 4 types of non-destructive testing tests of ray, ultrasonic, magnetic particle and penetration. Our main businesses range the designing, OEM processing, ODM processing, sample processing, drawing processing. Industries include construction machinery parts, stator and rotor parts of wind power generators, environmental protection equipment, wheel hub devices, pressure vessel equipment or drilling equipment, mechanical equipment base, oil sludge separation equipment, etc. Excellent technology and exquisite workmanship were recognized by clients who had received good reviews. For example, some of the world's top 500 companies had established business between us. We always adhere to the principles of integrity, high quality, continuous improvement, and customer satisfaction for long-term development. Hope to establish win-win business and friendly relationship in the further.